I love science experiments. I think most doctors do. I've got Dr. Starkey with me. So life is defined by how cells can move energy in and out and regulate energy with their membranes. And if you put all the cells together into organs, then organs have energy, and that's how we become energetic as human beings, because we're just a bunch of cells with organs and, and some fluid around there. So if that's life, and this is going to represent that, show me what alfalfa, what fruits, and what trace minerals can do.
Okay. So the definition of death is not when our heart stops beating, but when all the electrical impulse in our brain ceases. So we're nothing but a very sophisticated machine ran off electrical impulses, but where do we get it? Where should we be getting it from? Should be coming from our soil. So the plant that we're probably best known as far as the deepest roots on a land plant is alfalfa, and watch what happens. Oh. We get an electrical response.
The bulb came right up.
Yep. So how many times in our lives were we told by our parents, eat your fruits and vegetables, they're good for us?
All right, so alfalfa works.
Alfalfa works.
So you mentioned fruits and vegetables.
Yep.
Mom says have your bananas. So I take my banana.
Put that positive negative charge into a banana, and I get an electrical response.
It works.
That's why we should. Now, yes, I love when people say, well, I eat bananas because of potassium. Well, there's a whole lot more in that banana than just potassium, and it gives that conductivity back to these cells.
And what about an orange?
How about the orange? Now, this might come as a surprise, but oftentimes a lot of these fruits, and there we have it. It's faint, but think about this. You know where these oranges are coming from? We want to say California or Florida, but a lot of our oranges are coming from South Africa. So the question I have there is, how long did it take to get here? Were they picked incredibly ripe? Because we know that they can store an orange for up to about 2 years before it hits the market.
All right, so these are not a guarantee.
Not a guarantee.
All right, now in place of alfalfa, let's take good old water, and let's say it's bottled water.
Yep.
Right, the good stuff, the pure stuff.
The pure stuff. So again, with that being said, we drink the waters that we trust because they're contaminant free. That's distilled.
This is not making it light up.
It's dead water. It's dead. There's nothing there. But if let me do this. You put in 1 drop, and I'll go ahead and
just 1 drop.
Just 1 drop.
Wow, it's brighter than the apple.
1 drop.
The orange, rather.
So exactly. So we have complete control and consistency of putting those minerals that should have been in our foods in the first place. But because it's not in the soil, chances are it's not going to be in our foods, therefore we have to supplement with them. So by showing that 1 drop, you can see how bright. I tease sometimes and think, I love to tease that common consumer and say, we're divinely designed to be Lamborghinis, Bugattis, Ferraris, whatever you want to call yourself, but most of the time we treat ourselves like push mowers. Right. We push through the day by eating the foods that we consider healthy, but if we're not getting that response, we need to make a change to our diets.
All right, check out the wonderful Trace Minerals opportunity on the iHerb TikTok shop.